birthday, Tita Yan. I miss you. Happy birthday, Tita Yan. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday na.
Hi, Nang! Happy birthday! God bless you!
Happy birthday. Wish you a healthy lifestyle. Sa liwat, happy birthday din. Hi Nang, happy birthday. Wish you a good health and enjoy your day. So again Nang, happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi, Nandine. Wishing the happiest birthday to my incredible niece. Your energy, your charm, and your big heart inspire everyone around you. May your birthday be filled with love and joy. Bye!
Hi, Nang Dayan. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Bean. Turning 32, gonna be a blast. Wishing you, I'd say, as awesome as you are, lots of love and good vibes. Take care always, and I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi! Sa gwapa ko nga pa kaisa ng Dayan. Happy birthday nang. Wish ko sa birthday mo maayo nga lawas kag malayo sa sakit ang bilog nga pamilya. Taning maging happy ka sa imo birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, my beautiful cousin Dindin. Wish you all the best in life and may all your dreams come true and wishes. I hope mag-enjoy ka subong sa birthday mo. Kag, tani, nakita mo na gid imo nga dream boy or magiging asawa or lifetime husband. Kag, tani, makakadto ka sa akong wedding. We know naman na sa aton magkasen, tatlo na lang kita ni Inday ang wala baby, kag wala may asawa na si Inday, pero ako coming, wish ko nga, tani, ikaw naman yung next. Kag, big wishes ko gidya, makakadto ka mo sa akong nga kasal. Basta, tandaan mo lang, ari lang kami diri. Kag thank you ko